still driving. Sprinkle's still driving.
Sprinkle's still driving. Sprinkle goes beep, beep, beep. Sprinkle, can you say hi?
Hi.
Where are you going in your car today?
Yeah.
Are you
I'm going to get a book for you.
to get some books for me? Thank you. What book is this?
Yeah.
Is this a book about
Clover.
Grover? Cool. See you later. Uh-oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.